Student, today we are going to start next chapter of your mathematics book. Does it look same? In which we will learn about symmetry. Now let us start. What is symmetry and which objects are symmetrical? Does it look the same? In which what we will learn mirror halves, knowledge about line symmetry. Third, difference between symmetry and asymmetry. Now let us see. Line symmetry. What is line symmetry? If you fold it along with the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. How? Let's see. You can see that this is one half of this given picture and this is another half of this picture. You can see that if we will fold it along with the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So here these are two mirror halves. If we can say that a shape can be folded in half so that one half fit exactly on the top of other, then we say that shape has got line of symmetry. We can consider many example. Let's see. You can see both your hand. You will see one your hand will cover exactly other hand. It means right hand palm will completely cover with left palm. So you can see that your both hand are superimposed each other and are mirror image of each other. So many example you will consider. If you will fold up page at the middle, you can see that page is divided into two equal mirror halves because one part cover others. In this picture the fold is called a line of symmetry. You can see that blue line is line of symmetry. This shape has got a vertical line of symmetry, only vertical line of symmetry, not horizontal line of symmetry. Here you can see that if we will divide this shape into horizontal, then you can see that upper part is not exactly looks like lower part. It means these upper and lower not exactly cover each other, so that there is no horizontal line of symmetry. Only here we can see that one vertical line of symmetry. Now line symmetry in the alphabet. We all know there are 26 letters in alphabet. Now let us see which letter has line symmetry. Here see that A, B, C, D, E, H, I, M, O, P, U, V, W, X, Y. These letters have got line of symmetry. You can see that A has one line of symmetry, and which type of line of symmetry? Vertical. B, C, D, E. Here you can see that these letters have only one line of symmetry, and which kind of line of symmetry? Horizontal line of symmetry. Now in H and I, here you can see that there are two lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. But also there are some letters which have no any line of symmetry. Look which letters have not line of symmetry. You can see that J, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. These letters F, G also have not any line of symmetry, either vertical or horizontal. If you will try to draw a vertical line of symmetry of letter J, you will divide that. J is not divided into equal parts. It means some letters in this alphabet have not any kind of line of symmetry. Lines of symmetry all around us. Now, which of these road signs have got line of symmetry? Here, some symbols are considered and try to find which have line of symmetry. Look, first, second, here you can see that some symbol have line of symmetry. Here in first symbol you can see second symbol, but third not consider any line of symmetry. In these symbols you see the some circular shape which have more than one kind of line of symmetry, means more than one line of symmetry. Let's see. So try to find which of these road signs have got line of symmetry. Some has, there are some which have no any line of symmetry. If you will try to divide, then find line of symmetry. Next, line symmetry. Shape has line symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of other half. Symmetry exists all around us, and many people see it as being a thing of beauty. Here you can see that a picture of line face. You see a vertical line of symmetry. When a line of symmetry draw, the one half is equal to another half of his face. So shape has line of symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of other half. Clear? Is a butterfly symmetrical? Let us check. Try to draw a vertical line of symmetry. If one half is exactly look like other half, then you can say that a butterfly symmetrical. And when we will draw a line of symmetrical vertically, then we will find butterfly symmetrical. Next, at the beach there are variety of shells with line of symmetry. Look, you can see that a vertical line of symmetry, one half exactly equal to other half, means there are two mirror halves each other. Under the sea there are also many symmetrical objects, such as these are crabs and this starfish look like. This is also a symmetrical object. When we will draw a vertical line, so we can see that two mirror halves, left half equal to right halves. Okay, you can see animal that have line symmetry. Here some insect pictures are considered. Here are a few more great examples of mirror image in the animal kingdom. You can see that these objects has line of symmetrical. When these are divided vertically, then we got mirror image. One left half equal to right half.